What if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't here to steal your job? It might actually help create your next one. I know it sounds surprising because we always hear headlines about robots replacing people, but the real story unfolding in 2025 is very different. AI isn't just cutting roles, it's opening doors, building entirely new industries and giving freelancers and businesses more opportunities than ever before. Let's break this down together. The fear around AI is understandable. Whenever technology advances quickly, there's a wave of anxiety. Think back to the Industrial Revolution. Machines in factories replaced manual labor, but they also gave rise to whole new sectors. The same thing happened with the internet. Jobs like social media managers or app developers didn't even exist 20 years ago. Today, we're in another transformation, and AI is driving it. The key difference this time is that AI is becoming a tool for people, not a replacement for people. And nowhere is that clearer than in freelancing, where new AI tools are creating opportunities almost daily. So, let's walk through 10 ways AI is helping freelancers coming 10 years. Writers used to worry that AI would replace them, but what's happening is the opposite. Copywriting tools now act like brainstorming partners, helping writers create faster drafts and giving them more time to polish, add personality, and focus on strategy. Instead of wiping out content jobs, they've multiplied the demand for editors, storytellers, and brand-focused writers who know how to guide the output. For freelancers in video production, AI is a lifesaver. Tools can automatically cut filler words, sync captions, and even suggest music that fits the mood. But clients still want a human touch, the final storytelling, pacing, and emotional beats. AI clears away the tedious cuts, and freelancers can focus on creativity, which means more projects completed in less time and, ultimately, more clients served. Instead of replacing designers, AI design tools have widened the market. A small business that couldn't afford a high-end agency can now work with a freelancer who uses AI to quickly generate concepts. The designer then refines those ideas, ensuring the work matches the brand's identity. This shift makes design more accessible, expanding the number of clients instead of shrinking them. Freelancers working in marketing or consulting used to spend endless hours gathering statistics. AI now does the heavy lifting, collecting data, summarizing trends, and spotting patterns. But clients don't pay for raw numbers. They pay for insights. That's where freelancers step in. With AI delivering the groundwork, humans translate it into strategies that actually make sense in the real world. Developers now rely on AI to suggest lines of code, debug errors, or even create templates. But software projects still need human architects, people who understand what the client needs, how to structure it, and how to make it scalable. Far from reducing opportunities, AI has made solo developers more powerful, allowing them to handle projects that once required entire teams. AI scheduling tools, inbox managers, and task trackers don't kill admin jobs. They transform them. Freelancers offering virtual assistant services can now oversee more clients because AI manages the repetitive work. That efficiency lets VAs move into higher value areas like client relations, project coordination, and strategy. Educators and tutors are using AI to personalize lessons for their students. The AI adapts exercises to a student's pace, while the tutor focuses on motivation, explanation, and encouragement. That blend is powerful, and it means tutoring is scaling globally. Freelancers can now teach students across borders, opening a much larger market. AI chatbots handle simple FAQs, but when issues get complex, people want to talk to people. That has created demand for freelance support specialists who supervise AI systems, refine their responses, and step in for human interaction. The result? More freelancers are landing contracts with startups and small companies who rely on hybrid AI human support models. AI can suggest captions, analyze engagement, and schedule posts. But brands don't grow by automation alone. They need freelancers to craft a voice, engage authentically, and steer the overall content strategy. AI provides the engine, but freelancers still drive the car. This partnership has opened up a flood of small businesses willing to hire social media managers. Translation apps have improved dramatically, but cultural nuance is something they still miss. Freelancers now use AI for quick drafts, then refine them to make sure the language feels natural and respectful of context. This balance saves time while increasing demand for translators who understand both language and culture. Looking at all these examples, a pattern appears. AI rarely replaces an entire profession. It replaces the boring parts of it. What's left are the creative, strategic, and human-centered tasks. And because freelancers can now take on more work in less time, the total number of opportunities is actually growing. AI is like the calculator was for accountants. At first, people worried it would wipe out their jobs, but in reality, it made accounting more accurate, faster, and opened the door for financial planning, auditing, and consulting. The same thing is happening now, just on a bigger scale. The future isn't humans versus machines, it's humans with machines. And if you lean into that partnership, the opportunities ahead might be far bigger than you think.